Hey folks, it's Thursday. It's time for the burger hunt. I'm Uncle Joe, and always with me is
Nephew Owen.
Thelma Reddo.
Today we're at a cookout off of
Raleigh Road Parkway.
Raleigh Road Parkway in Wilson, North Carolina.
And we're trying out their new lobby.
New lobby that they redid.
Alright.
So today I got the Out West burger, which comes with bacon, onions, pickles, barbecue sauce, mayo, and just basically a cheeseburger and Cajun fries. Tell them what you got right there.
And I got supposed to be the big double burger with cheese, chili, ketchup, and mustard. Along with a double order of Cajun fries. I wanted to check out their new lobby today.
Yep.
As always, we are not professional taste testers. We're just a couple of guys looking for the best burgers around. And as always, yes, Juanita.
We said our blessing. Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Those doubles are small.
Yeah. It's like a Hardee's double.
No, but I can tell these are the frozen planks, not ground and pound.
Yeah. Try the Cajun fries. Seasoned well, but the fries will be a lot more crispier. Let's take another bite of the burger.
My burger is burnt on the bottom. The chili is real canned chili. I can taste the sauce that seals with like Bunker Hill. All in all, we've been here before when they didn't have the lobby open. Burgers were better. This one here, I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
Whoa.
Now, I'm not saying that just because we had a little disagreement with the guy who took the order, but I'm just going by the food. I'm not.
We don't judge a personality, we judge based by food.
We only judge by food. I will give this burger a 7.5.
Well, I know I'm going to get higher than that. The barbecue sauce is good. The cheese is melted. My burger's not burnt. And Cajun fries, like I said, be more crispy. Season's good though. I'll give mine a 9. So 9 for me,